everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're gonna see how to fix app not opening on Android. So to do that, let's head over to our any app that's not opening. So let's say Instagram is not opening, but in here it's opening currently. So let's say it's not opening. So what you're gonna do is just to keep tapped on the specific app that's not opening. Then tap on the info icon on the top right. It will lead you to this page. So scroll down and in here go to storage. And in here you will find the cache memory that has been saved. In my one it is 576 MB. So I'm tapping on clear cache. It will delete all the cache files. So once the cache is cleared, you have to go to try to reopen your Instagram again, and then just head over to the Facebook, go to Play Store, and then search for the specific app, let's say Instagram. So once you are in there, check if there is any update available. If there is, then try to update your phone and try to update the specific app, and then try to reopen it again. Hope this will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.